Submitting documents to Apple ID for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents that Apple requires for account verification. This may include identification, proof of address, or other relevant paperwork. Step 2. Sign into your Apple ID account. Before changing your settings, use the src.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings or security section. Look for the option related to account verification or document submission. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your prepared documents. Ensure that the files are in the correct format and meet any size requirements specified by Apple. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, review your submissions to ensure everything is correct. Submit your documents and wait for a confirmation email from Apple regarding the status of your account approval. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates from Apple regarding your account approval status.